to actually fill the what do you call this, the immigration form when you land to the airport. So I know it's very important. A lot of people struggle because they don't. I need to really make it quick. So I need to teach you how to. You're gonna find this form and the pen right on the desk. Can you just go a little bit back? So these are the kind of like forms you're going to actually see. So what you're going to have is actually when you land to the international airport, traveling from your country to other country. So you're going to have to fill this form about who you are and your flight numbers and your address and why you are coming here for. So because the international airport will require this information from you because they want to track your information. So you need to really just write this. You need to have a pen, and sometimes there are pens. Many times there are pens, but sometimes you need to carry this. So because there are a lot of people sometimes. Right now it's all blank, and you get this form. But make sure to actually your address where you're writing, and you got to have your passport just like this, and your passport numbers are required to write right there. Look at the passport. And your cards, whatever your details are, make sure to have them right here. So, which are going to be really important. So I'm making this faster because we really are not allowed to really make a long video there. Thank you, and make sure to be prepared to actually fill this immigration form when you're at the airport traveling from your country to other country. Thank you very much.